Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be swatching 4 new colors and these are by Catrice Cosmetics. This is a European drugstore brand. They are really affordable and in my opinion they have some of the best drugstore nail polishes. So for this particular video I will be swatching the Super Brights nail polish collection. These just got out recently, so they are quite new in stores and they are $3.69 each. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's just quit the rambling and get into these swatches. This first one is called 010 Aperitivo, I think you pronounce it, I'm not quite sure. It is a super gorgeous orange color, and the thing with these colors, 4 tones from this collection especially, is that they are supposed to be super bright, super pigmented, and you actually don't need a white base color underneath to keep your manicure completely opaque. These are supposed to be super pigmented, super opaque, and so on. And I have to say, for this orange, it was pretty much a one coater. I was quite surprised with that, but then again, Catrice Cosmetics always amazes me. They have like the best quality price range, like it's just really good. Of course, these 4 colors are a little bit more expensive than their regular Icon Nails collection nail polishes, which go for a little below €3 each, but I feel like seeing how pigmented these are and how bright and fun these are, they are definitely worth the €3.69 in euros. Of course, the prices may vary depending where you live. That is just something that happens, but at least here in the Netherlands they are $3.69. But yeah, this first color, super gorgeous. Of course, as a Dutch girl, I love my oranges. So yeah, with the second coat it is like more than 100% opaque because the first coat was already like 95%, pretty perfect. The next one is 020 Splish Splash. It definitely reminds me of like pool day, beach days, and so on. Just sunshine, water, beach. I don't know, just fun times, you know. The thing with blue polishes is that they can be a little see-through and streaky. I did feel like this one definitely needed a second coat to make the nail polish completely opaque, even on my long nails. Or especially on my long nails, I have to say. Blues are just a little tricky like that. Also, one thing that I really want to share when it comes to super pigmented colors like the 4 tones from this collection is you should definitely wear a good base coat or even like double up your base coats to prevent any staining and discoloration from the natural nail blade. So yeah, that's just something I want to put out there. If you are using super pigmented polish, always use a good base coat. It doesn't only prevent from staining and discoloration, but it also makes sure that your manicure lasts a long period of time and it doesn't chip and tip wear and stuff like that. So yeah, this one, it is pretty much perfect within the second coat. Really good for a blue tone like that. Another challenging color are yellows. Same goes for this one. This one is 030 Feeling Sunshine. It definitely ties in this collection so perfectly. I just love yellow polishes like sunshine, happiness. It is such a happy color. This one was once again a little sheer on the first coat, but I really wasn't disappointed to see what coverage I already had within that first layer. And once again, don't judge a nail polish by the first coat because it can only get better. And like, fortunately, this one was very buildable as well because the first layer was already like 60% opaque, I'd say. It's kind of similar to the blue tone, which was a little like see-through slash watery on the first coat as well. But the second layer definitely brings it all in. Like, this is one like a home run. I love it. Like, I never expect yellow polishes to be opaque within the first coat, but to see the coverage with the second coat already, I am really happy with that. So yeah, if you're looking for a really fun yellow color, which is always super cute to wear during spring and summer, but you can definitely mix it up in like fall season as well with some darker oranges and brown tones. Oh, so gorgeous. So yeah, definitely check them out. They are worth the money as well. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and you can pretty much get them in a ton of different drugstores. You can get them in the States as well, but I do have to mention that I'm not quite sure what kind of collection or how big their collection is, because I have heard some noises from guys and girls from the States telling me they only have the makeup and not the nail polishes. So I will definitely try and look them up online and see if you can order them online as well, because it's such a shame to actually miss out on their polishes. It is like one of my favorite brands out there for regular nail polishes, and they're just really gorgeous. So the fourth and final color I have already applied the first coat of, as you can see right here, is called 040 Dragon Fruit Popsicle. As a pink lover, I think this one is my favorite, but I am very biased when it comes to pink nail polishes and orange colors as well. So I have to say that the orange and the pink are my personal favorites, but then again, the entire collection of 4 colors go together so well. It is such like a fun way to do like a Skittle manicure or anything like that. Definitely let me know what color is your favorite in the comment section down below, and if you are planning to get some of these colors yourself, or maybe you have bought them already. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.